Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your iPhone 13 Pro in a few different ways. So let's get started. So now the simple and the easiest way to power off or turn off your iPhone is using either the volume up or volume down button, one of the buttons along with the side button. So I'll press and hold the volume up and the side button for about 3 to 5 seconds, just like that, which will activate this menu to slide to power off, which will turn off the phone. Now the second method comes in. The second method is going to be by going into your setting of your iPhone and then general, and then scroll all the way down to shut down, and this will also give you a menu to slide to power off, and it will shut down the phone. Now a third option is using Siri by simply either saying hey Siri if you have hey Siri turned on, or pressing and holding the side button to activate Siri, just like this. And then you want to tell Siri to power down, so you'll say hey Siri, power down. Yes. And Siri will prompt you or ask you if you want to turn it off, and then it will turn off the phone. Now give yourself about 15 to 20 seconds for the phone to completely turn off, and once it's turned off, we can press this big side button until the screen shows up the Apple logo. We just press and hold, and once the Apple logo appears, we let go of that side button and the phone will restart normally. Now if it doesn't turn on, you can also go ahead and connect it to a charger. In that case, when you do connect it to a charger, it'll automatically force the phone to also restart itself. So that's how you turn off and restart your iPhone 13 Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys in next time.